Today we are showing the difference between early Nova chuck models and the latest ProTech chuck line, highlighting the main characteristics we've innovated and improved over the years. This here is a first-generation Nova chuck from the 1980s, along with the Supernova chuck from the early 1990s. Both of these chucks use a very similar scrolling system. What you're looking at here is called a stopper screw. As I scroll the jaw slides, one of them eventually comes into contact with the stopper screw. That's what stops the jaws from sliding all the way out of the chuck body, and it tells you that you've reached the end of the scroll. To give you a better look at how this works, I'm going to remove the circlip and lift out the scroll ring. When I slide the jaw along the scroll ring like this, you can see that the jaw would normally scroll right off. There's nothing built into the scroll itself to stop it from disengaging. The simple solution we used back then was the stopper screw. It physically blocks the jaw slide from moving any further and prevents it from coming off the scroll ring. The downside of this system was that users could apply too much force. If a jaw was driven hard into the stopper screw, it could snap the screw. And once that stopper screw broke, removing it was extremely difficult. Another drawback of these first-generation chucks was that the jaw slides were machined as matched sets. If you lost one, you had to replace all four. Now let's take a look at the latest generation of Nova chucks to show just how far things have come. This is the G3 ProTech chuck. The first obvious difference is that the jaw slides are now cast. If you lose one jaw slide, you can simply replace that single piece, which makes it much more economical. You'll also notice that this chuck doesn't use stopper screws anymore. So you might ask, how does the jaw slide stop scrolling now? To understand, let's look closely at the jaw slides of the newer chuck version. You'll see that the first tooth of the jaw slide is very thick, much thicker than the other teeth. When placed on the scroll ring, the smaller teeth perfectly align with the tracks of the scroll ring. Once the jaw slide fully expands, the large tooth hits the track of the scroll ring. This stops it from moving any further and keeps the jaw slide from sliding off. It's a simple, clever solution that eliminates the issues we had with stopper screws while keeping the chuck safe, reliable, and easy to use. You can see that we've put a lot of thought into improving our chucks, making your wood-turning projects smoother, easier, and more enjoyable. And we're by no means done. Nova is always innovating, always looking for the next great improvement.